So in this video I'm gonna tell you how we can use PowerPoint to remove background of any picture. So for this we first insert any picture in our slide, suppose this, and we select this picture. There will be picture tools selected automatically. Then we go to remove background and it will remove automatically. So we will cover the area which we want to keep, and now the area which is this color, violet color, it will be removed automatically. So we just keep changing. So after this we can put our own background using this PowerPoint. Another example which we take with another picture, insert picture and then this bird, and we select this and remove background. Here we see that we increase the this cover area so that we can have full bird and full wooden. So here we will see which area is violet. If suppose the area which is removed but we want to keep, then we will use this button, mark area to keep. Suppose this tool by chance removes this area. So now this area is removed but we want to keep this. So what we will do, we will select this area and it will keep this area. And if suppose we have marked area by mistake, we can remove this plus and minus sign by just clicking here. Remove this, remove this, remove this, and then remove this. So we will take another example. So for now we keep changes and we have this bird sitting on this wooden. Let's take one more example so we can have better idea. So we take this bird, we select this and we remove the background. So this, look here, when we keep changing, it will remove this face and this feather, but we want to keep it. So what we do, we go back, and this is violet, this color, this is whatever it is. So we want to keep this area. So what we do, mark area to keep. We just drag a one small line here. See, this area will be kept, but again we want to keep this area, so mark one line here. So now we can see the whole face, and also this feather, we mark a small line here. We will keep this, then we will keep this also, we keep this also, we keep this also, and we keep this also. So when now we see, we can mark here as well, because we can see little violet area which is moved. And now we will see the changes. We keep the changes. We have almost full bird, but this has some problem in the face, so we go back, and when we zoom in, just go up. When we zoom in here, we will select this picture, picture tools, remove, and mark area to keep. These eyes are violet, so we will just mark one line here and one line here. Now we keep the changes. We see the full bird here. The background is removed. So this is unlike a tool which removes automatically. So sometimes it removes the parts which we want to keep. So there are two tools basically. When you go to picture tools, remove background. So this is the plus sign. We can mark any part of the picture which we want to keep, and this is the negative sign. Suppose it does not remove anything, like in this picture or maybe some other picture, it does not remove any part which we want to remove. So we just mark area to remove and it will remove. So this was very simple. You can use other images to see how much clear it removes the background. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.